Hi Heather, my name's Kyle. I work for Smart Utah SEO. We're a marketing agency based here in Utah. Today in this video I want to go over 3 things that you can do to be able to beat your competitors online. If you like what you see, go ahead and contact me. I'll put my contact information below. If you don't want to move on, that's fine. You can use these tips and tricks to better your own company. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. So content is what helps a website rank in Google organically. And that includes anything on your front page. So that includes the wording, that includes pictures, and even like what pictures are saved as. We can look at this. This is saved as an unnamed .png. So even what's behind the pictures, we can put certain things, and that all this content together will be able to help your company rank in Google to be able to beat your competitors. So this looks good. You got the testimonials and directions, everything like that. We like to focus on keywords, and that will help people find your company online. Moving on to the next thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations are basically your company name, address, and phone number as it appears on this map pack section of Google. So usually you search a name, sometimes you'll have Google ads. Ads are great, but they're kind of hit and miss. So you'll have a lot of people who have ad blockers installed on their computer, so those won't show, and sometimes people skip the ads altogether anyway. But I want to talk about more this map pack section. So citations, like I said, name, phone number, address, as it's listed here, wherever it appears somewhere else on the web. So whether that's Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, wherever that is, the more places your address, phone number, and name are listed, the higher up you're going to rank on this section. So if we look for you guys, Myers, did I miss it? I missed it. So it's right here. So you're ranked still on this first page, which is good, but we want you to be able to beat the rest of your competitors and rank at the very top. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So backlinks are anything on the web that refers back to your guys' homepage on your website. So this is an app we use called Ahrefs. It basically shows your website and what kind of traffic you get to your website. As you can see here, this is based per month. So on an average monthly, you're not having anybody find your website based off Google searches. So we want backlinks, and we want to generate that organic traffic. If we look at maybe one of your competitors, I was researching Apex Plumbing. So they have 215 backlinks, 11 keywords, and they're generating an average of about $400 a month based alone on Google searches. So if you guys like what you see, you want to be able to beat some of your competitors, go ahead and reach out to me, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you guys. Thank you for your time.